Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we are talking about where I can get tools to communicate with the manufacturer platform to program cars. For example, I need to program a car and I have Autel. And Autel use J2534. You have an interface, and the same interface can work as J2534. If you have an Autel and we want to use that one as a programmer, you have to go on Autel website and download the software, and that software will have your Autel path interface driver. For example, here is a Autel website, which is here in the corner, autel.com. You have to register, you have to username, password, and always you may not be able to register unless if you have a product like this, and you have to put your serial number or FCC number here. When you put it in, it will take you to a step to create an account. When you go into your account, this is download Maxi PC Suite, Maxi C, and Elite, and all this, the drivers. So you're gonna come here. I need to use this laptop, but I don't have the driver in it, so I cannot use the interface. The interface is the one that you plug it into the car and then you use it as a program. I'm gonna show you in a few. So here I'm gonna come in this place here and come here, go to autel.com, have internet. You see this autel.com, click on it. When it's open, you have to log in, sign in. Okay, put your username. You see, Autel ID is your email address. So let me put my ID, my password, and then we take it from there. You have to put your ID, your password, and this number 92XM. So it will know that you are not a robot. As soon as you finish, you're gonna go to product or support, and you on support diagnose tool, and then you click on it. We are here inside my account, so you're gonna come to support, and then support, go to download. From download, you're gonna it will open diagnostic tool. You see here. Then the first one, this one or this one. I believe you're gonna get Maxi. What is here? So to be sure what it is here, I just click on it. Maxi PC, Maxi Sys, and allow. He asked me, we downloading something. I said no, allow. Let us download it. I'm gonna wait for download to come in. Where does that download go? Download. You see, downloads are here. When I open the download, I want to see if that place is there. I don't know which today. So I have this one here. Maybe I did it 2 times, but I'm gonna open one. Okay, setup. You see here now, Maxi PC Suite. I will say okay. Next, install. Now you can use this one to program cars. You can do it to use on GM cars, in Ford. Anything that you have it, you can use this one and it's work. This is the idea of this video. Hope it support and help. So do not say I cannot do Toyota, I cannot do Honda, I cannot do GM because I don't have a pass-through device. You have a laptop, you have one of those, it will do it for you. After it's finished, you're gonna click on any icon you want to do it. It will show you, it will ask you which one you want to choose, which interface. Hold on. Install, hold on. Install. I'm done. Install. Hopefully. I don't know why I keep asking me all this. Does it take long like this? Wow, it's scaring me. Okay, finish. So let me now close it. Maybe I need this file too. In the future, if you need to put it into another software. Now, do you have any color here? Say Autel. Do you have anything say Autel? I don't see anything say Autel, but let me click here now. Like I want to do Honda car. I want to do Honda car. Let me see what's gonna happen. Okay, you see Maxi Flash GVCI, Maxi Flash VCI, Maxi Flash VCMI. So I have everything. So you're gonna choose what you want. Now the thing are here. You're gonna choose which one of this. Maxi Flash. Let me see what I have. This is the one I have it. You can use it for diagnosis, and it's a Maxi Flash GVCI. So it's here Maxi Flash GVCI, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic. Please subscribe and share and like, and see you in another video.